Alright, the double-sided tape at the bottom wasn't very secure yesterday, so today we'll reinforce it from the side to prevent it from coming off. The original position didn't achieve the desired effect. Now we'll recut our double-sided tape. After carefully cutting a piece, gently stick it to the left side of our sensor, making sure it is properly aligned and securely attached. As you can see, our sensor has shifted position, so we need to re-secure the bottom and then reinforce the left side again. This way, it will definitely have enough pulling force and strength to reliably open our door lock, and it also won't shift or move out of place during use. Let me add, it would be even better to use hot glue here, as it would secure it more firmly than double-sided tape. Using screws would be best, but since my door is made of metal, I'll stick with this method. Hot glue is recommended. This is what the final setup looks like. Alright, let's take another look. Now the servo is securely and firmly fixed here at this position. Then gently rotate this component in your hand, making sure to keep it steady. Manually turning it won't affect its position either. Okay, at this point the door is already open. This shows that the current setup works. Next, we need to write our code. For now, let's reset everything. Please close the door carefully and then gently remove our EIP310 module from its position. This is our ESP310 module. Let's take it to the computer for programming. I've already finished programming it and I have my power bank with me. I'll bring my data cable and my ESP32 as well. Once it's powered on, it will wait for 10 seconds, then rotate 180 degrees, wait another 10 seconds, and return to 0 degrees. Let's try powering it on. Here, connect its positive and negative terminals and its communication interface. Then use the power bank to supply power to it. Now wait for a moment. Because with a power bank, it only supplies power when you press the switch. So here I'll press the switch, then wait 10 seconds. When it's on, a red indicator light will flash. Here, the red indicator is already flashing, so wait 10 seconds. It will rotate 180 degrees. Alright, now the door is open. Wait 10 seconds and it will return to 0 degrees. That's right, it's reset. At this point I can lock the door again. Cut off the power. Then please close the door carefully. This shows that the experiment was successful this time.